Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, 3 text functions in one. Left pulls characters from the start, right pulls from the end, and mid pulls from anywhere in the middle. 4 real examples coming up. First up, left. We want a 3-letter abbreviation for each Pokémon name. Charizard becomes Cha. Type equals left, then C3, which is the name, comma, then how many characters we want. 3. Close it, hit enter. Cha. That's it. Left takes a string and pulls characters from the start. Drag it down to abbreviate the whole list. Next, right. Same idea, but working from the end. We want the last 2 characters of each Pokemon's type. Type equals right, then D3, which is the type column, comma, 2. Hit enter. For Charizard's fire, comma, flying, we get NG back. Right just mirrors left, but it counts from the other side. Now mid. We're going to grab just the first type from dual type entries like fire, comma, flying, where we only want fire. Type equals mid. D3 is our text. Start at position 1. For the length, search for a comma in D3 ampersand a comma minus 1. The trick? Adding the comma to the end keeps single type Pokemon from erroring out. Charizard gives us fire. For the last example, let's combine all 3. We're building a Pokemon ID card code like ch-fur-34. Type equals left C3, comma 2. That gives us ch from Charizard. Ampersand a dash. Ampersand mid D3, comma 1, comma 3. That's fur from fire. Ampersand another dash. Ampersand right F3, comma 2. That's 34 from Charizard's total of 534. Hit enter. ch-fur-34. 3 text functions glued together with ampersands. Use this for SKUs, employee codes, anything that needs a structured ID. So that's left, right, and mid. 3 simple text functions that handle pretty much every substring problem in Excel. Combine them with ampersands and you can build whatever code, label, or abbreviation you need. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your text formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.